What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So these videos are going to be a three-part video. We are going to be doing a how-to segment. This video is going to be how to cornrow, how to braid, whatever you say in your part of the world. It's going to be part 2 is going to be how to flat twist, and part 3 will be how to under braid. So for this video, the only thing that you will need is a comb, and I also have a few clips. Over to the side, I do have a mirror just so it can guide me as to what I'm doing. So for now, I'm going to take my hair out because I just had it pinned back a little bit. And since I already have kind of like a part right here, I'm going to go ahead and part my hair to the back. Just a warning, guys, this is not going to be a traditional video. I will be slowing down some parts and speeding up other parts that's less important. And also shout out to my husband for recording this video. He do become a little shaky hand sometime in the video, so please just bear with him. And we will get through it. So the very first thing when you are learning how to braid is to make sure your hair is fully detangled. It just helps a lot, and it makes the braid come out much better when everything is detangled, and it makes everything go much more smoothly. Right now, I'm just going to show you guys how I start the braid and how I do the braid, and then I will slow it down and explain the process to you guys in slow motion, just so you can see what I'm doing as I'm explaining everything to you. Braiding is one of those things. It's really kind of like arts and craft. It's like riding a bike. Once you learn how to do it, you'll be able to do it for the rest of your life. It's awesome, and it really shows the uniqueness and creativity in anyone. I believe that everyone should know how to braid, just because hair just really is an expression of oneself. And with braiding, it gives you so many varieties of how to express yourself, how to show the love for yourself, how to show your creativity. So I love it. I really hope that this video helps you a lot. I really love to braid. I really love to express myself through hair. So I'm going to just take this braid out, and then I will explain the process to you. To start off, separate the top part of the braid and split it into 3 separate sections. You are going to hold the root of the section that is further right between your middle finger and your ring finger. Take your pointer finger, go up under the middle section, and grab that section that's furthest left. Hold the left section between your middle finger and ring finger. Take your pointer finger, go under the middle, and grab the section furthest right. And repeat. Holding that section. Then you're going to take that other section, hold it between your middle finger and your ring finger. Take the pointer finger, go under the middle section, and grab the section furthest right. Hold that section between your middle finger and your ring finger. Take your pointer finger, go under the middle again, hold that section between your middle finger and your ring finger. Take your pointer finger, go under the middle section, and grab the section that's on the opposite side, furthest to the left. Hold that down and take that section that's furthest to the left, hold it between your middle finger and your ring finger, go up under the middle section and hold that section. It's all just a huge pattern. Once you get the rhythm, is much easier. I think starting off is one of the hardest parts for me. I have been braiding since I was about 6 or 7 years old. I did start on a Barbie doll head, and now I can just about braid any kind of way, however I want to do the style, and it's much easier to me. I have had so much practice over the years. So I will explain again. Take that section that's furthest to the left, hold it between your middle finger, ring finger, grab that section under the middle, the section that's furthest to the right. Now I'm just going to show you how the braid is coming along. It's very uniform, just a big old pattern, back and forth, back and forth. Once you get the hang of it, you'll do great. Now I'm just going to speed through this part and finish this braid off, because I think starting the braid out is the most important part. Actually finishing a braid is quite easy once you do get the hang of it. It just goes by smoothly. You stop thinking about it and just let your fingers work. Just go to the end. Once I am at the end, I use my thumb and my pointer finger, hold the hair, take my middle finger to grab the other section, and just do the pattern back and forth. Until I reach the end. Some people do stop it with a rubber band. I choose not to because I don't want to break the ends of my hair off. Now I will start this braid and go in slow motion, and it is the same thing at a different kind of angle. Now my husband is kind of like at the top of my head, but it's all the same thing. Hold the section furthest to the right between your middle finger and your ring finger. Take your pointer finger, go under the middle, and grab the section furthest to the left. Hold the furthest to the left section between your middle finger and your ring finger. Take your pointer finger, go under the middle, and grab the section furthest to the right. And you may need to kind of just listen to what I'm saying before you do start practicing, just to kind of understand what I'm saying. So you're just going from left to right, under, middle, left, right, under, middle, left to right. And there's various ways to start braiding hair. People braid all different kind of ways. So once you grasp the concept, you'll be able to learn your style of braiding. Now I'm just going to finish this braid off. Really quick. Now I'll start this braid in the 3 sections. Go under the middle, hold that section between your middle finger and your ring finger. Sorry, my husband is a little shaky hand. And you can grab the hair and pull hair into the braid as you need to, or you can just hold the braid down and take out hair if hair tends to go into the braid that you don't want to go into it. It's better to use clips when you are braiding, just to keep the hair that's not supposed to go in the braid, away from the braid. So I'm just getting to the end of the braid and still doing the same motion. Even though I'm not on the scalp, I still continue to do the same motion. Hi everyone, and there you have it, my how-to tutorial. So how to braid, how to cornrow, how to French braid, all the same thing depending on how you say it. And as I said earlier in this video, it is a three-part video. So my second part will be how to flat twist, and my third part will be how to under braid. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you can be notified every single time I post a video. Thank you again for watching. Bye. Peace out.